Hello, welcome back to my channel again. InitialOfEarn. If you want to earn from home like I do, so make sure this is the channel. Only subscribe it and click the bell button for more notification. Have a good day.
Hey, hello, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Assalamualaikum to all Muslim families. Hope you're having a good day. First of all guys, I always recommend you that if you're not subscribed to my channel, just go to the subscribe button and click the bell button for more notification. And also you can check out my recent activities. Okay, here is a recent uploaded moon Doge.co.in withdraw payment proof, and you can also check out this highly paying best YouTube extension for Bitcoin with the BitTubes. Okay, you can also earn BitTube without doing anything. You just have to install the extension, so you will get some tubes, and you can also withdraw your tube from your tube wallet into your main wallet like Bittrex or any trading account. Okay, so trading or exchanging account. Okay, so today guys, I will gonna tell you the best thing that is most important thing that I want to tell you about Moon Dogecoin. So here is Coinpot and the moon site. So as you guys already knows that moon sites are all the moon sites are connected to this Coinpot account. So what is that? What is that Coinpot? Coinpot is a website. So I just simply go to my Coinpot dashboard. You will see the whole balances from all the moon sites. Okay, I will show you the whole balances guys. As you can see, all will be shown here. Okay, it's showing here. As you can see, Litecoin is 16,000 into 58,800 is the Dogecoin. As you can see, the balance of 58,863. So I'll just close it. And today guys, I will tell you how to link your old wallet. So many of guys, I just making this video because many of user has been already making your account with your direct wallet. Okay, so as you can see, I just make my account with my direct wallet address. So is my 100 Dogecoin balance I want to get in my Coinpot wallet. So as you can see, is 55 Dogecoin. I just deposited. For why I deposited? Okay, so here's my balance 100 Dogecoin. I want to get it back into my Coinpot account. So when I go to this, I just simply go to this 100 Dogecoin, click on this, and I know all Dogecoin here are now made instant to Coinpot account. So now you are currently into your Coinpot account. You can withdraw from there. Okay, your total Dogecoin balance is shown above. As you can see, total balance. Okay, so note this balance may also include earning from sources other than Moon Dogecoin. Okay, click on the button below to read more about Coinpot. or to visit the Coinpot site to manage your account. So what is Coinpot? So what is Coinpot? As of 6th July of 2017, all payments from the Moon Doge coin are made instantly and directly into your Coinpot account. So this includes process claim and referral commission. How does Coinpot work? Coinpot as a brand new cryptocurrency micro wallet designed to collect and combine faucet payout and earning from a number of different faucet sources such as Moon Dogecoin Coinpots for multiple currencies, Bitcoin Dogecoin and Litecoin. Initially withdraw option include faucet hub and direct to your wallet via the blockchain. Each of these applications has different withdrawal threshold and some may incur a withdrawal fee. Other benefits are Coinpot are increased. What are the benefits of Coinpot? Okay, so the number one is increased security optional 2FA. 2FA is a security option. The second one is instant conversion between your coins coming soon. It is just coming soon. So what happened to my previous earning? Guys, I already told you, if you register with your old direct wallet address. Okay, so what happened to my previous earning? So don't worry, your account balance and all your previous transactions have been transferred over the Coinpot automatically. You simply need to manage these earnings via Coinpot from now on. From now, Moon Dogecoin will show you total Coinpot Dogecoin balance, including Moon Dogecoin earning combined with those from other sources. Okay, so for it, and I want to get my balance, so I just simply go to my Coinpot account. As you can see, okay, as you can see, I already here. Simply you just step 1, link wallet address. Okay, well, you can see if you click on this, you just have to click on link wallet address. Okay, first step is that make sure you must have to please enter your email address. So email address is you already linked into your Coinpot account. So I already linked my account. As you can see, Coinpot account found. So I already making my account with this email address. The number step 2 step 2, verify ownership of wallet address. Now we need to verify that you are the owner of this wallet address or not. You must have to verify you are the owner or not. There are 2 ways that this can be done: by signing a message. You guys simply have to sign in a message, like you have to put your email address and also put your Dogecoin address that you make your account with that direct wallet. Okay, so or by making a small deposit from the wallet address, or you have to deposit a small amount of Dogecoin. You have to invest it. So I already invested, as you can see, I will show you. As you can see, 55 Dogecoin I recently, as you can see, the date 2019-04-02. so I just click on this. There is a text ID and date, and it is the morning time, 8 o'clock, and sample is Dogecoin, and the address is here. As you can see, this address, and no, this address A4 A4. Okay, so I just 2055 Dogecoin commission paid to status completed, authorized, yes. Okay, so I just deposited and they will send my previous earning into my Coinpot account. So if you click on this, no, I just simply You can see I just recently bought 55 Dogecoin. So after verification, they will send my previous account earning that 100 Dogecoin. They will send into my this Coinpot account. Okay, so here is the way you can link your old wallet to your main Coinpot account. So hope you guys enjoying my video. Please comment me and share it to the others. So thank you, have a good day. Thank you so much, so much. Bye bye.